In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Wix, a quick and easy way to manage your business payments right from your dashboard. Start by opening your Google Wix account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, look for the option that says Getting Paid, a key section where you'll manage all things financial for your services or products. After clicking Getting Paid, you will see the Invoices option. Click on that, and then hit Get Started. Now you're redirected to the new invoice creation page. This is where you'll put together all the details about the transaction. Begin by selecting or typing in the email of your customer. This is crucial because this is where the invoice will be sent once you've finalized it. Next, you can move on to naming the title of your invoice. This could be the name of the product or service being provided, or even something more specific that helps you later identify what this invoice is regarding. The title will give both you and your customer a quick snapshot of what the transaction is about. Following that, include information about the specific product or service. Fill in all the available terms and a good description. When we talk about the description, think of it like a mini summary. It should be detailed enough to help the customer know exactly what they're being charged for. Then, set the quantity and the price. This is one of the most vital parts of your invoice. It makes clear what's being purchased and the total cost involved. If applicable, you can add taxes here as well, ensuring you're covering all grounds for transparency and legality. Below the main items, there's an option to add a line item. This can be really helpful if you're billing for multiple things within one invoice. Plus, an additional section is available for any notes or terms you might want to include. It's a good spot to mention things like payment methods or maybe late fees, as details like these can help avoid any mishaps down the line. At the top right corner of the invoice, you'll notice the invoice number. It is recommended to keep track of each invoice number. It helps with organization and can be crucial for record keeping. You also have the opportunity to change the issue date and set a due date, keeping you and your customer aligned on deadlines. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, double-check everything to make sure there are no mistakes. When you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and click Send Invoice. Your customer will receive the invoice via email, and that's it. You've successfully created an invoice on Wix. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.